Hey, what's up? Brent from Brinspeed. Thanks for watching Brinspeed TV. Today's going to be awesome because we have another 24 GT automatic Whipple supercharged laying down 860 real horsepower. We are going to tell you how we got there. We're going to watch a dyno pull. We're going to look at multiple different graphs with a couple different pulleys. But hey, if you haven't subscribed, notify, stay up to date, have Doug with me. Let's go check this out. All right, so what mods are on this 24 GT auto? Hey, and I'm gonna tell you this right up front, MS109 is the fuel we use when you turn the boost up. I'm gonna show you a graph on 93. So started off as a stage 2 Whipple kit that's got the VMP lid. So we have that right there, but we did a 10 rib conversion. We got the oversized Whipple heat exchanger with the dual intercooler pumps. It has long tube headers. We did billet oil pump gears, a rear cylinder and cooling kit. But as far as mods, that's about it, except a QA1 carbon fiber drive shaft. We're gonna look at a dyno pull, and then we go over the graph. I wanna tell you what this baby made on 93 with the 375 pulley, running a 3.375 pulley to make the 860. Check this out. All right, couple things. I'm gonna put links in the description of all the parts we have installed on this car. And of course, you can leave a comment, ask questions, I'm happy to answer. But we're gonna look at 3 graphs. So when you buy this kit, the stage 2, comes with 3.75 pulley. We're gonna look at the boost on that. That's running 93 octane. We made those pulls. It's all Whipple calibration. So this isn't like a custom tune on this. And then we drained the tank, put an MS109, did not change that pulley. Huge gains, and I logged it, and I'll explain why. And then we went down to a 3.375 pulley, and that's the dyno pull you just saw. Check out these numbers. So Dynojet SAE smoothing 5 on 93 octane, 726 at 7,700, and the torque is 559. But we drained out the 93. So the Whipple cal added about 1.5 degrees of timing on 93. It would add 6 degrees with the MS109. 789 real horsepower at 7,800, torque 574 at 5,800. Pulley swap, 860 real horsepower. Knock sensor still adding 6 degrees, almost 8,000 RPM. Torque comes in 621 at 5,700. Again, all in the Whipple cal. Let's check the boost out. So 13.85 peak and 13.75 peak, basically same thing with the 3.75 pulley. And then you can't do this on 93, but we switched to the MS109, and then you got 16.73 pounds of boost with the 3.375 pulley. Awesome numbers. The car's gonna be fast. I screwed this up right here. We're not gonna worry about it. But hey, you saw the numbers. Hey, awesome 24 GT, automatic. Car's gonna be super fast. 860 the tires. How many questions? Again, leave that comment. We're in Indiana. We have stage 1 and stage 2 Whipples in stock. We can ship them right to your door. You can come in for an install. And that's pretty much it for today. Have a great weekend.